Guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are going to create the service group over this Veritas cluster server using the online method. So using this command hacon hyphen make read write. Whenever you are using the online method, first you need to use this command. So this configuration will make whatever the changes you are doing over the service group or resources. This configuration will store under this RAM in read write mode, and once all the configuration you done, then you need to dump it over the main.cf file, and it will make it as read write. And another command, that is hconf hyphen dump space hyphen make read only. So this is the command you need to use. Now I am adding the service group using the ha group hyphen add space
भजे का कुछ दिख रहा नहीं, मैं सो जाता मुझको।
service group name, that is sg underscore app. Okay, first we need to make it as hconf hyphen make read write, and then we can use this command. Now it's asking for to use this systemctl before adding the resources. So service group I have added, so under it I am adding this system lead and giving the server name and their priority. I am giving the priority 0 for the server, and another one, that is the client, giving the priority 1. Here we need to use modify. Now this service group is created for these two servers, server and the client, and giving the priority, that is 0 and 1. 0 is the higher priority and 1 is the lower priority. How you can check the service group attributes? So using this ha group hyphen display and give the service group name. So these are the attributes used for this service group. So here you can check the service group auto start policy, cluster failure policy. So these are the policy here configured. This is the failure policy. This is the attribute we have used right now, that is system list. Here you can check the server is for 0 and client is the priority 1. These are the priority we have set, and the status of the service group is offline on both the node, on client and on server. Now I am checking the status, HS status hyphen sum. Here is the service group is reflecting under this service group status, and the status is showing offline. On another server is also showing the same output. Now I am checking it for the failure policy. So there is no failure is configured. Okay. Here is the failure policy we need to use directly. If you want to check the particular attribute, then you need to grep it. So right now this failure policy is set manual. If suppose you want to change their failure policy, so there are three types of policies, that is load, priority and the round robin. So right now the priority is set as priority, and if you want to change it, then you need to set load or the round robin. These are the three policy you can change it. If suppose I want to change priority to failure, then I am using the command ha group space hyphen modify space service group name space failure policy and give the policy. This is the priority is set. Now I am setting as round robin. Okay, these are the names we need to set. The naming convention always you need to set properly. Now you can check the failure policy now is changed from round robin to from priority to round robin. I am again changing it as load. Now it's changed. Again I am changing it to priority. Yeah, so like that you can set the priority for the service group using this online method. Once this configuration done, then you need to set ha conf hyphen dump hyphen. Okay, first we are doing or running this command ha conf hyphen dump hyphen make read only. You can check the configuration file, that is main.cf file. Now you can check here this main.cf file, still it is not reflected this service group. And once I am using the command ha conf hyphen dump hyphen make read only, then only this configuration will reflect with the changes. That means this configuration now stored under the RAM. Once we have dumped it, then it will reflect into the main.cf file. Now you can check in main.cf file, this service group is now reflecting with their attributes. So these are the command we are basically use. Again I am checking the HS status hyphen sum. Here is the option that is auto disable. If you want to change this auto disable, then you can change it using the same command, that is modify, and you can change it as this enable, auto disable, auto enable, you can done it. So this video we have covered this service group related informations, how we can use their attribute, and this attribute information you can check it under this type.cf file. I am checking, that is systemctl. Here is the configuration file where all the attributes are stored. So you can check it for the particular attributes. For service group you can check for service group. If you are mounting for this file system, then you can check it for this file system. NFS, all are imported under this file. So thank you guys. We will cover the resources in the another video. We will add new resources under this service group, and we'll do some demonstration how to delete it, how to modify it, how to use this service group under this VCS. So thank you guys.